possible. I'm so delighted to be here. First of all, happy birthday to His Excellency, Sir Peter Obi, my boss, my markets. I dey sell am for head. I know they carry am shame.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I want to use this opportunity to implore everybody listening to me, both online and offline, that you need to come and buy wholesale from me and sell this market properly. Make sure that every day, everywhere you find yourself, you are talking about Peter Obi. 2027, a new Nigeria is possible, extremely possible. That is why you see them run around, invite his followers to different agencies, try to threaten those who are not with them because they know we are already taking over. I say it and I will say it and I will say it again. I don't care if the DSS, the army, the military, the EFCC is listening. 2027, you read, you die. 2027, you read.
A new Nigeria is no need for too much talk. Even the devil know. Say free and fair election, Peter Obi must win. He won it before, he will win it. The only difference is that this time we know they go court. Now for polling unit we go announce our. Are you ready to protect your vote? Are you ready to protect your mandate? 2027, the enemies of Nigeria will be put to shame. This Oriburuku must stop. This Oshi must stop. We must dismantle this structure of criminality. So the question not be whether Obi will win or not. Obi will win. My country people, we must mobilize ourselves, protect our vote, defend our mandate, and ensure that we send PO and Kwankwaso into the presidential villa. If you never get your PVC, go and get it. So that by May, before that end of election, the pastor, woman, first lady, and the husband, they should be packing their things to exit that place and allow this country to have leadership in Peter Obi. A new Nigeria is. Are we ready for victory? 2027, we must be. Happy birthday, Peter Obi. We love you obediently. My name is Peter Obi.
Correct.
Again, I want to thank our leader, Dr. Tanko, High Chief, I greet you, Mike, my brother, all of us. Thank you so much for keeping faith with the struggle. Today, I say I will just sit and listen. The struggle is not only those who are leaders and those who speak, who are important. All of us are important. So those who listen and those who are behind. So I said, let me be one of those who will listen, because we are all critical players. And I want to just state what our leader said. We are at the verge of making history. And history is made by not the large army, but a more determined army. All wars are won by 3 things. 1, mission. If people come together, they can overcome everything. 2, commitment. 3, strategy. So, in 2023, we are all committed, but maybe we didn't have the right strategy. This time, we'll be more committed with better strategy. So, I totally endorse what Tanko said. We need to have every voter and every citizen becomes the protector of the integrity of elections. We are in a better position because now we are deceived, so we can't deceive again. In the past, we trusted INEC, trusted the police. So now we're wiser. We don't trust any. We vote, follow the votes, track it, and declare the result. So don't be disappointed, don't be frightened. The losing party sometimes have more numbers. It looks like that momentum. And then people people ask me, are you sure? I say yes. 27 election will be declared. It will be free and fair, not because of INEC, but because we will make it easier. So I want everyone to say, victory is sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, today marks another very important year in the history of the Obidient Movement, because our leader, the person that all of us believe in, that we are ready to sacrifice for, has turned 65 years old. And with that 65 years old, His Excellency has put up his date of birth in the public domain. You can count his date of birth, not like others where you keep their date of birth in secrecy. He is 65 years old. The kind of year that we want for somebody that can lead this country from consumption to production, changing it from consumption to production. This government, not only have they stolen our collective matrimony to a point of stupor, they are even stealing our future. Today, the FCT chapter, among all the Federal Republic of Nigerian states who are celebrating this birthday together, have decided to go to the Buhari General Hospital FCT Children Ward to support the needy. They've also gone to Garbik Hospital Maternity Ward in Buhari to support the needy. Motherless Baby Home in Kuchiku to support the needy. I want to ask you, how many of our presidential candidates have their people coming out to support them in this kind of way? This is not FCT. This is just one FCT. 36 states are celebrating in their different manner. Each and everybody in his home are celebrating. Go through the social media, you will find out that almost everywhere is agog with only one person, and that is Mr. Peter Obi. I just watched in Demsan, where I'm just coming from, individuals, including the pastor, was saying openly that he is an obedient. I've also watched on my phone while I'm coming, an imam has also said that if they like, they should call Mr. Peter Obi Pope John Paul. He is going to vote for Peter Obi because he is an obedient. This is love in the most passionate manner. And that is why all of us have decided to work with him, to support him, to give him all our love. Ladies and gentlemen, don't be under any illusion. It has been confirmed from Graveyard that this government is planning to give you more poverty, pain, and pang when they come back as freedom. I repeat, anybody that has here, let him hear. This government is planning to give you more pain and pang when they come back in this particular seat. So know that you are already in a democratic world. Help yourself. Build the network. Go from house to house. Build the structure in the FCT, by extension, all the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Please, I'm dead serious. Whatever you thought you have done in 2023, be ready to double it in 2027. This is a democratic war. It's about your life, about the life of your unborn children. If you decide to stay at home and say your vote will not count, then God forbid if they will count your own body. If you decide to stay on defense and say you are not sure that this vote will go to Mr. Peter Obi, what you are doing is that you are digging the grave of yourself and probably your future children. It is not funny. We are all here. We are seeing how this government has created a ghost agency where billions of naira were allocated. The money that will have gone to your building of education for your children has been given to a ghost agency. Now they are saying that that particular agency does not exist, they don't know it, that they are arresting the man. The question you want to ask is that, are they going to arrest the CBN governor who allocated money that went to the particular agency? Are they going to arrest the office and the people who have worked together with this person to make sure that they got that money? Gentlemen, we are in soup. So go and put on your wrestling belts. Go and put on your kokua. You know what kokua is in Hausa language? Please go and put it on. I am asking you, or we are asking you, we have a man in His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi, the most credible, with character, capacity, consistency, credibility, and compassion. Those are the 5 C's that encapsulate His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi. If you have such a man, why are you looking for another? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a target. We have a target. I keep on raising it to your ears. We must fill 176,000 polling units to protect our votes so that they will not steal our votes. We must stay there, fight for our votes, both protect it and ensure that it is counted. That is the only way we can shoot and make sure that this particular government does not come back into the position. Please, I'm begging you, I beg, make her kneel down. Please, go back to your villages. Go back to your localities. Go and build your self-group. We need to fight for Nigeria. Nigeria is barely breathing. Join hands together. Let's get Nigeria out of the wood. And I can assure you, His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi will give you good governance in the next 4 years by the grace of God, and you will be happy for it. I thank you very much for listening. God will continue to bless you. Go and mobilize. Continue mobilization. Don't stop. Continue to mobilize. Mobilize, mobilize, and mobilize. God bless you. Thank you.